my people, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I am in my Audi S4 today. In today's video, I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a little bit of an update because I've been out of YouTube. I think last time I posted, I don't remember how many months ago, but yeah, it's time to get back on the grind. It's been a minute now. And yeah, in today's video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We're gonna go for a drive. For those of you who have followed the page in the past, I wanna thank you guys for the follows, the likes, and everything. For the 300 of you, I had a goal at one point to reach 500. That kind of died because life got in the way. But we are back now and we're better. So yeah, for today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mount you guys. We're gonna go for a little drive and kind of talk about all of those things and what it is that I'm doing to the car now. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, let's go for that drive. I'm gonna put the windows up a little bit. I'm gonna do a little pull, you guys, so you guys can remember the sweet sound of a supercharged V6 Audi S4. Here we go. Yeah, boy. Gotta give it the beans. All right, you guys, so this is not going to be a long video for today. I just wanted to talk about a few things that I got coming for the car. I think last time I uploaded a video was of me installing an instrument cluster on this car. I'll put like a little video of like a little flashback or something on here so you guys can see what I was doing. But that was the last video you guys saw from me at that time. And yeah, I also want to get into why I have been gone for a minute now. And a lot of it has to do with me doing life, just working on my goals and doing a lot of things. So yeah, guys, just to quickly touch on it, I've been doing a lot of things, you guys. One of those things is, I think I've talked about it in a previous video. I can't remember now because I've just been off everything. But I've been working 2 jobs and I've been trying to better myself, trying to do many different things, trying to start new things, whether it's business, trying to be an entrepreneur or whatever. And some of those things have worked out, some of them have not. And my windshield wipers are doo-doo. But yeah, guys, that's the reason why I've been gone. I've been doing so much that I basically had no time. And yeah, guys, I'm back now. I'm not doing a bunch of things that I was doing before. I am currently trying to focus on one thing, doing one thing at a time, not doing multiple things. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to quickly touch on it because I also said in the past that I was gonna lock in and just upload YouTube videos as much as I can, but life got in the way. So yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to say about that. And now we're gonna move on to talking about, those are windshield wipers, but I want to talk about what are those things, the new upgrades that I'm doing to the car. I got a surprise for you guys in the next video. And yeah, and this one thing, guys, is going to help me a lot when it comes to like building this car. I recently got something that will allow me to actually put this car on, basically, I'm telling you guys what it is basically, but this car will be parked for a little bit until I build it and put all the new parts that I got for it. And I do all the upgrades, whether that's the tuning, whether that's the new upgrades, boost mods, by the way. I'm not doing anything to make this car look nice yet because I wanted to focus on doing power mods and making sure that the car is strong and all the maintenance is taken care of. And yeah, you guys, I'll show you in the next video what that is. It's gonna be a little reveal. I think you guys know what it is by the way I'm talking about this already, but or maybe not, but wait until the next video or subscribe so you guys can get notified when I upload the next video, and it will be about that one thing. But yes, let's quickly touch on some of the things that I'm doing to the car. I recently got a few things. I got a heat exchanger. I got a 207mm pulley because I'm going stage 2+ with this car. And I want to get close to 500 horsepower with this car. But for that, I need to, you know, buy all the things, buy the tune, and maybe do some spark plugs and timing chain. And a couple of other things, supporting mods to be able to get this car to that power level. So yeah, guys, it might take me this whole summer to get the car to where I want it to be when it comes to like adding the power mods and doing all the maintenance, the rest of the maintenance, because I've done a lot to it. So stay tuned, you guys. I want to get this car super dialed, so when I go to tune this car, we can reach that 500 horsepower goal. And I think I'm gonna keep it at 500 horsepower because if you do anything crazier than that, then you'll have to basically build the whole car, transmission, this, clutches, and that. But who knows, maybe I make it on YouTube and you guys like the videos and I build the whole car, you know, even the tranny, doing clutches, whatever. This is a dual clutch, this is not a manual car, but you can do things to strengthen the transmission on it. Maybe the clutches or do maintenance on it. I don't know what you need to do, but yeah, it would be really fun to do that to this car and just build it, you know. With the setup that I have right now, the car is making about 400 and something horsepower. I'm not sure how much exactly. I've never taken it to a dyno or taken it to a shop to see what the car really makes. Nice. I hope you guys can hear that, but we get the occasional pop. But yeah, guys, that's what the car makes. At this moment, it has a stage 1 tune. The supercharger, we have an intake, we have an AWE touring exhaust. Sounds really good, by the way. It's not droney, it's not like, it doesn't sound horrible. It's just nice deep sound to it. And I think this is the best exhaust setup you can add to your S4 or B8 or B8.5 S4. I think it has stock resonators, then it's capped back after that. So yeah, guys, the car is really fun the way it is now, but I do want to make more power. And what I'm thinking of doing is going stage 2 with 034 Motorsports. Why am I going with them? The reason why is because I want the car to shoot flames, and I want two-step, the active launch control thing that they have going on. The Jacko doesn't do that yet, or integrated engineering. I don't think they do that, or they might do it, but I'm not sure. So far, I know that 034 Motorsports is the one that has the active launch control thing where the car shoots flames. Kind of like two-step, but for launch control, yeah. Yeah, two-step is for launch control. But yeah, you guys, I want to get to a point where I can build new cars, new things. So yeah, you guys, please subscribe, stay for the adventure, and let's build some cars. We're up in the clouds right now. Get you guys a little view. Let's slow down a little bit. So yeah, stay tuned for the next videos, you guys. I am very happy to be back making videos. Yeah, I'm excited for what's to come, you guys. Do one more pull here. Slow down the first. Now shift. This car puts a smile on my face, you guys. It's really fun to drive. It's not so fun with when the car is broken and you gotta park it and fix it. Yeah, that's not the fun part, you know? But we're gonna stop right here real quick, record a few shots of the car, and then head home. I am at the very famous location. I come here all the time and I record videos on this car. There's a bridge right over there in which I do my Instagram reels and shorts. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Stay tuned, peace out, and God bless.